Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, we got another package in the mail today. This is from the U.S. Mint, so it probably won't be a surprise to most people what it is. It's not the V75 American Silver Eagle. I already received that and turned around and sent it out the next day. Unfortunately, the post office being pretty slow, I paid for a 2-day priority shipping. Shipped it out several days ago and the person still hasn't received it yet, so I'm a little bugged about that because why are you paying the money to have it shipped priority mail and then they're not receiving it that quickly? So I know things are busy over there, but I really wish they would live up to their agreements. I mean, we're expected to live up to our agreements, right? Why can't they do the same? But anyway, I got a little off track there. Got something else from the U.S. Mint, so why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so a lot of people I've seen haven't had the tape on this glued flap side, but last couple things I've received from them was taped, and my the inside of my package for my Eagle is a little bit different than what I've seen most people as well. But let's get this open. Opens up pretty easily. Let me go ahead and take this out of there. And then yeah, most people have just a little bit of paper holding this thing in. Okay, let's get this box out of the way. It's a nice, maybe reusable box. It's pretty cool. And let's take a look at this thing. The End of World War II 75th Anniversary Silver Medal. Now note, this is a medal, it's not a coin. So the American Silver Eagle with the V75 privy mark on it was a coin. And I think that really had a lot more attraction also because it's part of the American Silver Eagle collection. Whereas this, it's not a coin, it's a medal. And I think therefore it doesn't have as big of a draw, but this thing's still pretty cool anyway. I've already seen some videos on it. Really, really nice. So why don't we take a look at it? I'll leave this stuff over here, I guess. Why not? Got room on the screen. Trying out my new lights here. They're a little bright, but I think they'll be okay. Don't have the big umbrella above me anymore. Here's the cert on it. Some of them were supposed to come hand-signed, and I don't think this is one of them. That looks like that's just a computer-generated signature. We can see here it is a proof. Let's take a little closer look at that. Proof right down here, 99.9%. And gives a little bit of history of it, so that's pretty cool. And why don't we open this up and take a look at it. Ooh, look at that. Look at that shiny, shiny. Ooh, that thing is nice. Let me see if I can pop it out of the case here. These things are usually in here pretty well. Let's move this out of here for now. Look at that. Wow. Is that nice or what? Let me see if I can zoom in. Zoom in and probably make it look a little bit better. There's a big old fingerprint on there. Almost certain that wasn't mine. Let me see if I can get something to wipe that off with. Alright. Got something here. Cloth I use for wiping up my guitar with. So we got that fingerprint off of there. Yeah, it looks a little better. So that's pretty cool design, huh? It's not my favorite ever, but that's pretty cool. Let's turn it over. Take a look at this side. 75th anniversary. Look at all that mirror on there. Look at all that proof finish. Ooh. It's pretty nice. Just let me try to wipe off this side again. Apparently the people in the U.S. Mint warehouse weren't wearing gloves because we do have their fingerprint on them here. Look at that, pretty nice, huh? And I think with this one, if we flip it like this, yep. So a lot of them you flip like this, but on the metals you flip like this. Pretty nice, huh? Is that thing beautiful or what? Alright, so there you go. The World War II 75th Anniversary Silver Medal. Let's zoom it back out a little bit. Look at all the stuff that comes with this thing. You got this, you got this, you got this. Lots of good stuff, huh? So I don't know. We're thinking about keeping this. We're also willing to do a trade on it or sell it outright. If anybody's interested, maybe trading for some, constitutional silver or, maybe a small piece of gold or something. I don't know. We're flexible. We'd be willing to do a trade with the right thing, but we know about what it's worth, and so do you. So if you want to get this in your collection and you don't want to pay any cash, maybe we could do a trade. 1945 Liberty, World War II. Eagle with the big old wing coming across. So yeah, pretty nice, huh? Let's put it in there, see if we can zoom in a little bit. Take a closer look. Yeah, this camera just doesn't catch how nice this thing is. Look at that mirror finish, huh? So as you can see, I don't have that big umbrella over me anymore. I do have other things up there, but yeah, kind of happy to get rid of that big umbrella. It's taking up a lot of space. Alright, well that's it for now. Just thought you'd appreciate a quick unboxing of the World War II, and end of World War II, 75th, I'm pointing at a box that you can't even see. The end of World War II, 75th anniversary silver medal. And, does this even have a number on it? It does not. No number. A lot of the times when there's a limited edition, they'll serialize them with a number, but I don't see one on this one. That's okay. Still a very nice medal, very nice piece of silver, and we were fortunate enough to get one. Well, that's it for now. I appreciate you watching, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.